Hey guys, so in this quick video, I'm going to talk about primarily the Ecovacs O500 GOAT. What are the things to be aware of? Because this is primarily sold in Europe, and I wanted to be very careful because these are the comments that I read and also like reviews that I'm going to share with you right now. So, but Ecovacs in Norway on a Friday returned on Monday, and the girl taking my return told me the Ecovacs has stopped selling it and have pre-approved all returns. So this is something to be very like important. Also, plenty of negative reviews that I see right here, like weak battery, bad camera. If it's something's like stuck, it can find home. Also, it doesn't respect the boundaries in home. So it fell into the like onto the stream. So that's something that was like happening. And also it completely ignores the boundaries again on the garden. It doesn't know where to go. It goes to the road and it just like stuck somewhere. Oh, that's like something to be aware of. It's like get stuck frequently, remapping required, no go zone must be entered after every remap, can escape from mulch, loses its position on the map. Also raised plastic engine cause it to get stuck, that you can actually like see here. So you know, like what you see here, like the edging here, and this is something to be aware of. And primarily the reviews you can see for yourself that is like not good. So hope this video provided a little bit of value if you want to like acquire it, and the reasons why you should be very careful. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.